Hey guys, Richard here, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys the 5-step system that my partner Laz and I used to generate $1.25 million with just $180,000 in ad spend. So without any further ado, let's hop right into my computer and begin. All right guys, so I want to show you here how we got $1,250,000. Not how we made $1,250,000 by only spending, this is gonna sound freaking insane, but our ad spend here, so this was our revenue, and our ad spend was only $180,000. Crazy, I know. And the craziest part is that we actually started this as a side business, Laz and I. So I want to go ahead and show you some numbers here. So I know it sounds kind of ridiculous, but look, here we have $688,000, which, as you can see, since we're looking at it today, January, it's not showing January of last year, so it's actually a little bit more here. Once we go over to PayPal, we have $655,000. But this month here, which was March, we did run e-com products. I think we were selling face masks or something like that for the whole pandemic stuff. So a lot of this revenue isn't attributed over into this 1.25 mil. Let me go back here. But it's about 550 from here, and then we also got a whole mess of wire transfers, some recurring payments, and the way we did it, guys, was by generating leads. And we started this as a side business. We started getting leads and then selling to the leads. And by the time that the year was over, Laz and I were looking at the numbers and we're like, holy shit. Look, let me show you guys. We generated, so this is our old list and this is the new list, right? Because we're going to do this again this year. But our old list, we generated 85,936 leads, which this is actually wrong because we had some people unsubscribe. So the real amount, let me go ahead and write it here. So we got leads generated, I wrote it down here, was actually 86,266. So this ad spend here went towards generating these leads. So our cost per lead was about $2.08 per lead, and I'll explain everything now to you guys. I know you guys must be wondering, what do you mean cost per lead, or this right here, which is our revenue per lead. Our revenue per lead was $14.50. So I mean, this is insane, guys. We're making about like $12 on each lead, $12.50 profit on each lead that we get. So it was pretty crazy. Laz and I didn't even realize that we had only spent $180,000 to generate 1.25 mil. But it all started, well, not it all started. It's all based on a 5-step system. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the system. So I'm gonna put new here. I don't want to save this. So it's all based on a little 5-step system that we created without even realizing a 5-step system. I'm sorry if the writing is a little bad. I'm kind of getting used to this notepad thing. So there's 5 steps. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to go over 3 of the steps, but you'll see why momentarily. So first step is, guys, which everyone should do this, everyone should have this, is you need an offer. So you need to create an offer. Now, what's an offer? I know a lot of you guys might be into ecom because Laz and I teach ecom a lot. So an offer can be some like a physical product that you have, or you can do a service. Okay, so into products, it would be any ecom product that you can have. You can also have a course, which Laz and I have our Google course, which we recently just retired. So these are all offers that are products. You can also have a service. So Laz and I, we also have a service, which is our Google Ads Management. Google Management. So you can have a service. So your offer can be anything, guys. It's your product, your offer. It's the main thing that you're trying to sell. This is where we're going to eventually drive all of our traffic to. So let's write it in here. This is our offer. Now this is step 1. And you're going to see here that the step that you create this is actually backwards, okay? So then we have our step number 2, which is over here, which is to create our landing page. So let me write here step 2, step number 2. And then this is when we start creating our landing page. Now, what's a landing page? A landing page is, people call it landing page, bridge page. It's basically where we send the traffic to so that they can sign up, become a lead. So this is where people become leads. And this is the bread and butter right here, guys. This There's money being made here, money being made here, or the money starts to be made over here, and then this is when we finally close the people. So landing page, I'm sure you guys have seen a whole mess of them. You can do a free training, you can do a few things with the landing page. So you can do free training, you can do giveaways. Okay, there's a whole mess of different things. Well, mess that up. There's a whole mess of different things that you can do with a landing page to get people to sign up and become a lead. So that's all we're trying to do. We're trying to collect people's name, their first name, their email, their SMS, their mobile number, so that then later on we can send them emails, we can send them text messages, and then we sell them. So this is step number 2, which is to create a landing page. And step number 3 to drive traffic. Okay. Now, if I had to put these steps in order from most important to least important, this right here, step 1, most important. Step 3, second most important, and then step 2, the landing page, is probably the least important one. But yeah, we drive traffic, guys, and we'll have another video. There will be another video within this series that I'll teach you exactly what traffic sources we like. But we do Facebook, we do YouTube, we do search ads, we do IG. There's multiple different ways that you can drive traffic, but the whole flow. So the whole flow, even though this is step 1, this is step 2, and this is step 3. And I'm sorry, I know this looks a little messy here, but I'm still getting used to this thing. But the whole flow is the traffic. You drive the traffic over into your landing page. From the landing page, we're going to collect the leads. So this right here, this step, is where last night collected those, let me see the number, it was 86, it's about 86,000 leads. This is where last night collected about 86,000 leads. We're not making money here. This is just the beginning. This is us collecting the leads. And then after they become a lead, we're sending all these people into our main offer here, which for us, it was our Google course. So we collected the leads and we sent them into the Google course. Now, it is a 5-step system, okay? And I would say that about 50% of our money, 40% through 50% of our revenue was made within these first 3 steps right here. Right here. All of this made up 50%. So we made, well, it was 1.25 mil, half of that. So about $600,000, $625,000 came from this. So if we would have stopped just at these first 3 steps, we would have made, I mean, a whole mess of money, guys. $180,000, $625,000. We would have made, I don't know, like $400,000. But we took it a step further and we added 2 steps. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to go over the next 2 steps, which is step number 4 and step number 5. Within these 2 steps, you're going to make anywhere from 50% through 60% of the money. So from here, we made about $625,000 from step number 4 and step number 5. Now, if you guys want to learn step number 4 and step number 5, keep following, keep going through our emails, watch the training. In the training, I will go over the first 3 steps in more detail. Okay, so I'll tell you guys more about the traffic sources. I'll show you guys some examples of some good landing pages and the ones that Laz and I used, and I'll give you guys even good offers that you can run, because you don't even, guys, the beauty of this is that you don't even have to create your own offer. Okay, you can actually promote other people's products. You can be an affiliate, or you can create your own offer if that's what you want to do. Laz and I created our own offer just because you make a little bit more money with it, but you don't have to. So in the presentation, I will go over these first three steps in greater detail, and I will be revealing step number 4 and step number 5. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the training soon.